Are you struggling to balance your studies with other responsibilities? Do you find yourself cramming for exams at the last minute? Creating a study schedule that works for you can help you manage your time effectively and reduce stress. Hello and welcome to Wizcabin. In this video, we'll show you how to create a personalized study schedule that fits your unique needs and learning style. Creating a study schedule is a crucial step towards achieving academic success. A study schedule can help you manage your time effectively, avoid procrastination, and improve your focus and productivity. Let us go through different steps for creating study schedule. The first step towards creating a study schedule is to assess your current schedule. This includes not only your coursework, but also any extracurricular activities, work commitments, and personal responsibilities. One helpful way to approach this is to create a list or mind map of all of the tasks and responsibilities you have in a given week or month. From there, you can begin to prioritize and allocate time for each task based on its level of importance and deadline. By taking the time to thoroughly identify and list out all of your tasks, you can gain a clearer understanding of the amount of time and effort required for each one, and ensure that you don't overlook any important commitments. The next step is to set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is a crucial step in creating a study schedule that works for you. It's important to start by considering your priorities, as well as any other commitments or obligations you have, such as work, family, or social events. Once you have a clear understanding of your schedule, you can set realistic goals that align with your available time and energy. These goals should be specific, measurable, and achievable, so you can track your progress and stay motivated along the way. For example, instead of setting a vague goal like study more, try setting a specific goal like spend 2 hours studying each evening after work. This goal is measurable, achievable, and fits into your available time and energy. Now it's time to create your study schedule. To start, block out dedicated study time in your calendar. This could be a few hours each day or longer periods on certain days of the week. Be realistic with yourself about how much time you can realistically commit to studying, taking into account other priorities in your life. Next, break down your study sessions into smaller, manageable chunks. For example, you might spend 30 minutes reviewing vocabulary, followed by a short break, and then another 30 minutes practicing grammar exercises. This approach can help you stay focused and motivated, and can also make the task at hand feel less overwhelming. Lastly, be sure to schedule in breaks and downtime. Giving yourself time to rest and recharge is important for maintaining your overall well-being, and can actually help improve your focus and retention when you return to studying. Creating a study schedule is one thing, but sticking to it is another. It's important to be consistent with your schedule in order to achieve your goals and stay on track with your studies. This means setting aside a specific amount of time each day or week for studying, and making a commitment to follow through with it. One way to help yourself stick to your schedule is to create a study routine. This routine should include a specific time and place for studying, as well as any materials or resources you'll need. By establishing a routine, you can train your mind to expect studying at certain times, which can help you stay focused and motivated. Ultimately, sticking to your schedule requires discipline and commitment. It's important to remind yourself of the benefits of sticking to your schedule, such as improved grades or achieving your academic goals, and to stay motivated and focused on the end result. Evaluate and adjust is all about taking a step back and reviewing your study schedule to see if it's working for you. This is important because even the most well-crafted schedule may not be perfect for your unique learning style or lifestyle. To evaluate your schedule, you'll want to ask yourself a few questions, such as: are you able to stick to your schedule consistently? Are you making progress towards your goals? Are there any areas where you consistently struggle or fall behind? Do you feel overwhelmed or burned out? Based on your answers, you may need to make some adjustments to your study schedule. The key is to be flexible and willing to adapt as needed to ensure that your study schedule is truly working for you. In conclusion, creating a study schedule is a critical component of academic success. By assessing your current schedule, setting realistic goals, creating a schedule, sticking to it, and evaluating and adjusting, you can create a study schedule that works for you. So what are you waiting for? Start creating your study schedule today and take your academic success to the next level. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like and share the video. Your support helps us create more content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.